This gang works to the clock. The hot dog stand opens every day at 8 a.m. sharp. And the pigeons gather bang on time for a free handout. Feeding so close to traffic is dangerous. And every day, the Fifth Avenue flock takes huge risks. But pigeons have a set of remarkable adaptations to deal with life in all this chaos. With eyes on the sides of their heads, they can see an incredible 340 degrees around them. And being a member of a gang helps too. With so many eyes, the flock covers each other's blind spots.